The Food and Drug Administration has approved the second drug in a new and powerful class of cholesterol-lowering drugs.
The new medications could be lifesavers, but CBS2’S Dr. Max Gomez is here to tell us some things you should know before you take the drug.
That's right, Christine and Dick. You know, the drug that was just approved is called Repatha. It follows on the heels of Praluent, approved last month. Now, both drugs have been shown to dramatically lower LDL, or bad cholesterol, through a whole new mechanism of action. They block a protein in the body called PCSK9 that indirectly prevents liver cells from pulling LDL out of the blood. The result is that lots of bad cholesterol is taken out of circulation, lowering it to healthier levels.
Well, that sounds good, certainly.
It is.
As always, though, with drugs, there's got to be a downside.
That's right. Well, there's a, you've got to make sure you're doing it for the right reason. Now, first of all, the drugs have only been tested for relatively short times, and they seem very safe. But we don't know what, if any, long-term side effects they may have. And secondly, the drugs are going to be very expensive. Both have to be injected twice a month, and the cost will be more than $14,000 a month. Yeah. A lot of money.
I think a lot of people watching saying, okay, can I take that drug? Is it for everybody or what?
It's not really for everybody, especially not at 14 grand a month, right? Yeah. They're approved for people with a familial or a genetic type of deadly, very high cholesterol. It's also for people who can't get their cholesterol down low enough with diet and statin drugs, or who can't tolerate statins because of the side effects, and that could be as many as 11 million people in the U.S. alone. And of course, the drugs are only by prescription from a physician.
We've been given the impression that these cholesterol-lowering drugs were all pretty effective and, widely used to the point we didn't have 11 million people.
Well, yeah, I mean, that kind of depends. These are people who may not be able to get down low enough. It includes the people who have this genetic type and so forth. A lot of people are taking it. They get their cholesterol down low, but maybe not as low as they really should.
All right.
Dr. Max,
thank you.
You bet.